says water.
Oil? Yeah. One-fourth cup of water. I mean oil. Sorry. Olive oil. That takes the temperature up 500 degrees. And those other oils are no good. 2/3 cup of water. Practice. Stir.
How many years as a baker have you been?
48 years, and I'm doing it the easy way.
The more simple, the better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you run a bakery that made $600,000 a year.
Not after you pay all the employees and all the ingredients and all the bills.
Have to go to stores and get supplies.
Yep. Okay, then you pour that into your already greased baking sheet, only half of it.
Why only half?
You gotta put the cinnamon and brown sugar in that in between.
Okay.
I got a bigger pan than I think I need, but it don't make the pieces so big and fat.
Oh, okay.
Practice. Oops.
You don't lick your fingers at work. You just did it at home.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Especially with an inspector, right? Health inspector watching you.
Yeah. Sprinkle this brown sugar. Whatever they got in here. Very good stuff.
We're going to call this how to make a simple, easy
This is
swirl
like a coffee
crumb cake. Yeah, or coffee cake. Exactly. This actually tastes really good. He's made it before.
Yeah, they're so good. That's why I'm making it again. You only put half of that bag in there. And I take this and drop it in like this. It's easier. The rest of the dough.
You can't actually taste George's hands because he washes them before he starts. Can't do this in front of an inspector either. You have to use some kind of a tool.
You gotta try and put this in here so you spread it out a little bit.
Well, who would have thought it? Who would have thought, you know? Just keep your hand washed or use a glove, you know?
Yeah.
If you're at a bakery or something. I always found this interesting to do. I love baking myself.
I would have a smeared up pan, but
This guy right here, George, taught me a lot about baking. I worked for him.
Smear this all over a little. It turns out pretty good. Doesn't work out the greatest, but it works.
Hey, it's an idea. It's a swirl, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a swirl. Swirl it. This is so good.
Yeah, it's not a crumb cake. It's a yum cake.
Oh yeah. And kind of sprinkle this all over here again. Gotta preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
With this product, it don't really matter if you do it before or after.
And it don't have to be perfect because it's homemade out of a box.
Neighbors like it too.
Yeah, everybody loves it. It's good. And the oven's ready to go. I forgot to turn it all the way up. It'll be alright.
It's a very old oven, by the way. It's antique.
Yeah, 1958. Still works.
Antique.
Like a charm.
Look at that. Timer.
Yeah.
What is this? Warm. They're warm.
You put it in the oven for
I can't believe it still works.
40 to 45 minutes. It's in the oven.
It's puffed up, guys. George is pretty smart.
Looking good.
Yeah, it is. Yum. Look how clean the oven is after all those years. He cleaned it. Now open it.
Down here below the oven, you got this broiler. I keep this stuff down here.
Clean.
But it's like brand new. I don't think my aunt and uncle are. I know I've never used it. I don't think they hardly ever did either. Move this up on the top shelf because the heat's at the bottom. You can see the red infrared or whatever it is. And the bottom will get too done, so I put it up on top shelf. Yep, you're supposed to take a toothpick and poke it. If anything comes out on the toothpick, it's not done. And it's not done yet. Still got about 10 minutes.
Let me see the toothpick.
There's some dough on there, but not much.
He made spice cake cupcakes the other day. About 2 days ago. They're getting kind of firm now. But if you close this up right here, put the nail on this, too tight, then they get too soft. They get like wet. So do this. Basically. Let just a little bit of air in.
There you go. Beautiful coffee cake. Cinnamon sugar, yum. And that's it, folks.
That's how it turned out. Smells wonderful. Cinnamon smell. George knows how to speak my language.